How to plan electrical house wiring. If you are building a new home or renovating an existing one, you need to plan the electrical house wiring carefully. Electrical wiring is not only essential for providing power to your appliances and devices but also for ensuring safety and compliance with the local codes. Here are some steps to help you plan your electrical house wiring project. 1. Determine your power needs. You need to calculate how much power you will need for your home, based on the number and type of appliances and devices you will use. You can use online calculators or consult an electrician to estimate your power consumption. This will help you decide the size and capacity of your main service panel, circuit breakers, wires, and outlets. 2. Draw a wiring diagram. A wiring diagram is a schematic representation of your electrical system, showing the location and connection of all the components. You can use software tools or paper and pencil to draw your wiring diagram. You need to include the main service panel, circuit breakers, wires, outlets, switches, lights, fans, smoke detectors, and other fixtures. You also need to label the wires with their colors and sizes and indicate the direction of the current flow. 3. Choose the right materials. You need to select the appropriate materials for your electrical house wiring project, based on your power needs, wiring diagram, and local codes. You need to choose the right type and size of wires, conduits, boxes, connectors, outlets, switches, and other accessories. You also need to ensure that the materials are compatible with each other and meet the safety standards. 4. Install the wiring. You need to follow the wiring diagram and the local codes to install the wiring in your home. You need to use proper tools and techniques to cut, strip, bend, connect and secure the wires and other components. You need to test the wiring for continuity, polarity and voltage before connecting it to the main service panel. You also need to label the wires and circuit breakers for easy identification. 5. Hire a professional electrician. Electrical house wiring is a complex and dangerous task that requires skill and experience. You should hire a licensed and insured electrician to do the job for you, especially if you are not confident or familiar with the process. A professional electrician can ensure that your wiring is done correctly, safely and in compliance with the local codes. A professional electrician can also inspect your wiring and provide you with a certificate of completion.